Hello, this is Carnage, and I saw a tweet asking if anybody has used the Lightning Network, and some people were surprised that it's even over 3%. So I wanted to demonstrate how I use the Lightning Network. This is a nostr client called Snort. You can see I have my wallet hooked up here. These are sats. And what you can do is you can go to Settings, Preferences, and then go to Auto Zap and just check that. And what that will do is automatically zap every note when it's loaded. It's a little bit bugged, so it keeps zapping the same note over and over. But as long as I'm connected, my wallet is connected, and I check auto zap, it automatically zaps everybody here. And we may be able to see it. I don't know if it's going to show right away. But if I scroll through this feed a couple of times, what it's doing right now is it's sending a lightning payment to everybody who has a wallet connected. So if they have this little zap icon, I think its actual name is called zap, they're basically getting payment right now. So everybody is getting a 21 sat payment from me, and some people are getting a lot of payments, not just one. So here you can see I zapped this person 21, and this person zapped him 21. So as long as I hover on this note, it's going to continue zapping them nonstop. You won't see the balance reflected here right away. It's going to take some time. But if I refresh it, you'll see that it's going to go down. And let me just go back through his feed a couple times. Let's just click some of these things. You can see I'm already zapping this person, and somebody else is zapping him as well. This is Odell. You can see I had my sats set to 50, which is kind of a small amount, but if you do it nonstop over and over, it kind of drains the wallet really fast. So I can easily go through 10 bucks here just by leaving it on. Zapathon test me, okay. So yeah, Lightning Network is prevalent. It's not something that's not used. Everybody on Nostr basically uses it almost. I don't want to say almost, but actually there's quite a few people who don't use it. I'll take that back because they don't have a wallet connected. But some new clients that are coming out, like Primal, they're not that new, but the functionality and that is new. So Primal, for example, has a built-in wallet on iOS. As long as you can connect it, everybody gets a wallet. And there's other cool functionality like Cashew, which is eCash, which if enabled, which is it's not yet, but if we connect it to clients, you can see my zap came through to Ava here. And you can see it just keeps on zapping, he'll continue. But yeah, Cashew, if we connect that, that means everybody will have a zap address because everybody with an MPUB through Nostr has a Lightning address. It is custodial because it goes to a mint, but at some point they can just cash it out. Maybe you can set some kind of limit, a warning, or something. So yeah, zaps work. You can see here it goes, right? So every time I turn this on, people are kind of like, oh, what's going on? There's a little mini zapathon. But yeah, it's not obscure. It is part of Nostr, basically. That's kind of the cool thing about this protocol and the clients that connect to it. But there's also a bunch of Lightning wallets. So Wallet of Satoshi is one kind of famous one that's really easy to use. I don't believe they operate in US anymore, but yeah, everywhere else in the world. And there are quite a few places that accept payments, Lightning payments. If you go to btcmap.org, you'll see all the vendors there. A lot of us accept Lightning payments directly. You can see, and not just for posting and stuff. Like you can actually sell stuff for Sats in Amethyst and some other clients. So yeah, if you're curious, if you're on Twitter or X and you think Lightning Network is some obscure thing that nobody uses, I welcome you to check out Snort or check out nostrapps.com. You see all the different apps and clients that use Lightning Network. Not Lightning Network, that are part of the Nostr protocol, but a lot of them are basically connected with Lightning payments as long as you configure it. So yeah, hopefully this helps.